I'm Dr. Kevin Lau, and I'd like to personally welcome you to the second edition of Scoliosis Exercises for Prevention and Correction DVD. This is a companion to the fourth edition of Your Plan for Natural Scoliosis Prevention and Treatment, and should be used along with the information detailed in the book. I've designed this program to improve your flexibility with body balancing stretches, support your spine with core stability exercises, and strengthen and rebalance muscles with body alignment exercises. The latest edition also incorporates yoga, Pilates, scoliosis-specific exercises to increase the variety and effectiveness of the program. It is very important that you pay close attention to your form and technique as you execute the movements with each exercise. Slowly work through the exercises as directed by the book and using the video as a guide, while monitoring for improvements with each session, making notes in the book or an exercise journal. Your exercise program for scoliosis can be as flexible as you want. The primary goal must be to improve your health and restore some balance back into your spine and muscles. Undoubtedly, the program needs to be tailored to your health, age, and needs profile. Obviously, an area where your chiropractor or physical therapist can help and guide you best. However, the basic requirements of a versatile program is that you must be able to do it on a regular basis, either 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Each session should last 30 minutes to 1 hour and include different stretches and strengthening exercises from each of the 5 sections. So work through the exercises as directed in the book and using the exercise video as a guide, while monitoring for improvements with each session. So grab your mat and your water bottle and enjoy your workout.